What's up, kids? Today we're in Pocono with my cousins. Alright, we're at the lake. What do you want to say for yourself? Wow, I literally see heaven. Yo, blood, wait! How much you sell for the fish? Wow. You want to play Battlefield in real life?
We're stuck at sea. Please help. This is a Titanic moment.
Help! Help me! Alright, we're going back. Yo, I'm so good at basketball. Kobe! Kobe! I obtained water. I for real might just play Clash of Clans. And we are back. Yo, how's the lake?
It's laking.
You, how's the lake? Alright, we heading out. Okay, we made it. The vlog's ending. What do you guys say?
Bye bye. We'll see you next time.
Also, subscribe to my this kid. Okay, bye.